am so excited you're here. Hello. We are going to do our calendar for April 8th. This is Wednesday, April 8th. We're going to talk about that today, so let's go ahead and jump right in. And we're going to trace April. April. And I told you what our date was, but let's look on our calendar, on our little schoolhouse. And I do not know what the weather is. I have sunny up here. Who knows what Wednesday is going to be for sure. Let's hope sunny. I'm going to hope for sunny. Let's hope for sunny. And then you can get outside and play in between lessons and do something fun. Find something fun that you can play outside. So we've got April. Remember, this is our place. The 0 is the placeholder. April, what number do we have? April 8. And Wednesday, April 8 is today's date. Okay, let's start writing. We've got our 8. And remember, our 8 is an S, a capital S, starts just below the top line. Reach up and touch. I'm going to make our big capital S, and then bring it right back up and connect it. Makes a really nice 8. 8. April 8. The year is 2000. Good. I heard one of you say it. 2020. We're going to just start right below the top line. Reach up and touch it. Make a hook. Angle down. Looks like kind of half of a heart. Turn and then to the right. So up. Angle down and to the right. 0, the hero, top to bottom. Then another 2, start just below the bottom, reach up and touch, hook, angle down, slide right, and 0, the hero. Make sure your numbers are filling your space, top to bottom, and left to right, that they're all filling it nice and neat. So we've got April. So what number in our digital date, we're going to do the digital date, what number do we use to represent April? So I'm going to count, or I'm going to say the months of the year for you. January is 1, February, March, and April. What number do we use? That's right, 4. You guys are starting to remember that. We've done it quite a few times now. So down and across and down again. April, today's day is 8. We're going to write our nice, neat capital S to start, and then bring it back up and around. And remember, S for Samuel or S for Silas. Okay, we have our year is the last 2 digits in the years, what we use for the digital date. So it's 4, 8, that's right, 20. So just below the top line, reach up, angle down, slide right for your 2, and a big 0, the hero. Nice and neat. Okay, we have been in school for all right, here we are. Okay, I'm going to put the ones down. There we go. Put my 10s there. We've got the 10s. Okay, let's count. We're going to start counting by 10s. And again, I'm counting just a little bit quicker, so stay with me. We're going to count our 10s. This is our big base block, our base 10 block. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we're going to count on from 100. We have 3 10s, so we're going to count by 10s next. 110, 120, 130. Now we're going to count on by 1s. We have 1s here. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138. That's how many days we've been in school. That's kind of a long time. Okay, let's go ahead and write that in on our dry erase. Okay, so we had one big blue 100. We had 3 of the green 10s around a tree, and that's how we make a 3. And then we had 8 of the little ones. Again, capital big, capital S, and reach it back up and around. We're writing a lot of 8s today, aren't we? 138. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and fill in our calendar. So we've been in school for 138. So around a tree, that's how we make a 3. 8. Make your capital S, bring it up and around. Makes a nice, neat 8. Here's our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. So how many do we have in our hundreds place? What number is there? That's right, 1. We had 1 of the big blue 100s. How many do we have in the tens place? That's right, we have 3. Around a tree, that's how we make a 3. And that was 3 of the green 10s, if you remember. How many do we have in our ones place? That's right, we have 8. Okay, so make your capital S, bring it back up and around, and connect it. Makes a nice, neat 8. Okay, let's do today's, well, we got to do the days of the week, and we will do what yesterday was. So yesterday was, do you remember what yesterday was? Yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So that would mean today is, there's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's, that's right, Wednesday. Remember, Wednesday. That will help us when we're spelling it and trying to remember how to spell it. Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be, got our 2 bratty guys at the front. When they get together, they stick their tongue out at each other and say, our no good, terrible drivers go all around the corners. They're such terrible drivers. And our 2 cool guys hanging out at the end. Thursday. So that's tomorrow. That one's got a lot of secret stories in it, and it's a lot of fun to do. Okay, we've got our Wednesday. And Wednesday, because Wednesday is the name of the day of the week, what does it begin with? Just like your name begins with a capital letter. So does the name of the week. It's a long one, so give yourself a lot of room. Start at the top, all the way to the bottom, up to the dotted line, all the way to the bottom, back up to the top for a nice big capital W. For your E, start right next to the W below the dotted line, slide right. Reach up and touch the dotted line, swing around to the bottom line, just like that, nice and neat. Then your D, top to bottom, put your tummy facing the E. Your N, start the dotted lines all the way down to the bottom, and then put its tummy, the hump on, there you go. Your E again starts right next to the N, about halfway in between the dotted line and the bottom line. Slide to the right, reach up, touch the dotted line, and swing down to the bottom line and around. Okay, your S. It's a little tiny S just under the dotted line. So start just below the dotted line, reach up, touch the dotted line, swing an angle down, and bring it back up and around. Just like that. Your D, top to bottom, and your tummy faces the S. Your A, make an O, then put a tail on it. Good job. Your your Y rather, is start at the dotted line down to the bottom, then start it, now mine's kind of sliding off our lines, but that's okay, and make its tail. Wednesday. So if yours is a little further out here, that's okay. Just try to be as neat as you can. Okay, let's do the season. So the season is the season winter, spring, summer, or fall? Go ahead and holler it right out. Which one do you think it is? Yep, I think you are right. It is spring, and I'm going to do a pretty purple flower today. You can do your flower any color you like. And if you do the whole box, I would like it to be nice and neat. Again, not perfect, but just as neat as you can. Make it look nice. Okay, there is our spring flower. I'll keep those two colors handy because I think I'm going to do my bunny to match. Okay, so in our incredible equations, this is our math to equal 8. So we're going to equal, and it's going to be 8. So I'll write the answer there. So make your big S, bring it back up and connect it, big S. You don't have to write your 8s until you finish the equation if you like, but I'm going to write mine in right now. Okay, so I need to find a math equation to equal 8. And one that's really fun is there's doubles. So doubles are when you have the same number and you add the same number, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the same number, 1, 2, 3, 4, to equal our number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does 4 plus 4 doubles equal 8? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Very good. Okay, I'm going to do it a different way. I want you, now I've got 2 here. I'm going to leave up to you. So I want you to come up with another equation to equal 8. I want you to have 2 more that you made up yourself. So it can be a subtraction. Remember, if you do a subtraction, you have to start with a number that is bigger than 8. When you subtract, your number will go down the line. When you add, your number will go up the line and it will get bigger. You subtract, you go down the line, your number will get smaller. You add, you go up the line or to the right and it will get bigger. So your number has to equal 8. So if you're adding, you have to start below the number so you can go up to 8. If you're subtracting, you have to start above 8 and go down to 8. Okay, hopefully I didn't just confuse you. But find 2 equations using subtraction or addition to equal 8. I'm going to go ahead and color my bunny. I'm going to do it a nice lavender color. And again, of course, anytime you like in this video, you can go ahead and press pause and then come back and watch it and press play again. If I'm going too fast for you, that's okay. You can go at your own speed. I'm going to do a little orange egg here. And I think I'm going to have my bunny have orange in his ears and his tummy. Okay, I am so excited you joined me for today for our Wednesday, April 8th calendar. I can't wait to see you again next time.